90% of people who trade lose money. They don't know how to put stop losses in. They don't know how to manage their own money, right? So I'm here to change that. I'm here to flip the script. I want you guys to learn how to trade like Wall Street professionals. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Trade Like Nick. Before we begin, I just want to make sure we go over the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, as you guys could probably tell. Your responsibility, know before you trade. Nothing here is for advice. This is all for educational, informational purposes only. This is not investment, legal, or tax advice, and this is not considered your specific financial situation. I don't know what your risk tolerance is, your investment objectives, and trading stocks and options involves extreme risk and loss and is not suitable for everyone. Yesterday, if you guys were into my live stream, we saw 6 trades, and let's take a look here. We're up $248, and we started with a $3,000 account. So you guys see, we started on July 6th. This was the 30-day challenge, right? And I'm trying to make 1% a day. Can you let me know what stocks you want to take a look at, right? I'll pull it up. We'll do a quick analysis. And then if I like it, bam, let's put it on, right? You got to learn how to take risk. If you don't know how to take risk in the market, in other words, if you don't know how to recognize opportunities where the risk and the reward is worth it, and you have to learn to accept risk. People don't respect risk and they don't accept risk, because when you respect risk, you always put a stop loss. And if you don't know how to understand to take risk, you're going to let opportunities pass you by. Makes sense, right? All right. So 5% a day is $150 a day. I can show you option strategies where you can sell and collect $150 a day, because there's 20 trading days in a month, right? We don't trade on the weekends. So if you make 5% a day, which is $150 a day, you multiply that by 20 days, 20 trading days in a month. How much does that give you? That's $3,000 of profit. Bam! Does that blow your mind? That should blow your mind, because if you can double your money every month by earning just 5%, then watch. After 1 month, I have 6,000. After 2 months, I have 12,000. After 3 months, I have 36,000. And this is starting with only $3,000, earning 5% a day. That is more on the advanced side. I'm here to help you guys who are beginners. We're going to level up our strategies as we go through this 30-day challenge. But first, we want to start off with stocks. Stocks can give you 1% a day, right? As you can see, I'm doing it right here, just buying and selling 1 share of stock. People, you can do this. You can day trade stocks. Do you guys know that the day trading rule just got eliminated? Before, you would have to day trade. You needed $25,000 in your account. You can do this now, and that's what I'm here to show you guys. So let's get back to our trading account. You can see, I'll show you how the margin requirement works. Right now, it's July 9th. This doesn't go into effect till July 13th. So let's take a look at our other positions. We got Pfizer. Oh, look at SanDisk. We're up $200 on SanDisk. Look at this. What did we do? We bought this bad boy yesterday. Right? We bought 1 share, $16.76. Now it's at $18.76, folks. Why is that? Let's take a look. SanDisk. Why did we enter this trade? SNDK. Well, look at that, folks. If you know how to read a stock chart, if you know how to identify opportunities, look at this. This thing went as high as 23.54, went down. Look at this big doji candle. This is a doji candlestick, and it happened right at this prior low here. What is that? About 15.25. And then we got confirmation yesterday. Boom, I entered it, saw the opportunity, gapped up, boom. And we got in right, and we have our profits. So I'm going to exit this. This is a nice profit. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a stop loss right below here. See this stop loss? I'm going to move it up here. This is called locking in your profits, folks. Now my stop, I bought this stock down here. Now I'm going to move it up here. So in case it wants to go higher, I can participate in a higher run, right? But if this does turn around, guess what? I still made profits because I took the risk off the table. Does that make sense, folks? That's how you trade like a professional. And that's what I'm here to show you, how to trade like professional in 30 days or less.